First, I'd like to give thanks again to the ancestors and to the universe, to nature, to Mother Nature, to the earth, to all that was breathed here in this realms. Um, I just want to share a few things with you that's been I've been thinking about very, very hard, meditating as I wake up. The more I tap into Mother, the more knowledge she gives me. You can do the same thing. So I do these videos not for my good, not because I want all of you to think or to say that, wow, he has a lot of wisdom and knowledge. No, I mean, we're all capable of having this divine nature. And nature is very knowledgeable. Um, but for those who call nature sinful nature doesn't have any clueless of who they are. So they rather tell you that nature is no good. Well, if nature is mother and they're saying that nature is sinful, which is Eve, get it, Eve in the beginning. Eve is nature, which is mother. So she was the first one to sin. Now, how could anyone in a quote unquote right mind, being righteous, tell you and I that nature is sinful? If that's the case, then they have to be unnatural. Well, I'd like to give you a few things here. Now, the word bi means two. Bi, as in bye-bye. So binario means two, the value of two. So as in the word to, two, as in together, to get her. Again, if you look at the word together, to get her is three. So, three. So, together is basically three syllables, three words, putting to one. Get it? Trinity, one. So, that 1 and 3, 13, because 1 and 3 is 4, the fourth letter of the word is D, divine, which is mother, the earth. So, in order for you to put yourself together to get her, you have to go back to nature, your natural self. I want to show you some things here. Despite what you claim to know or what you've been taught. To be taught means to be trained, just like a dog. You train a dog, the dog learns new tricks. Get it? Tricks. Matrix. So, the word binario again means two. So, for an example, if I were to have two things put together, those two things would be 1 and 0. Ones and zeros, 1 meaning male and 0 meaning woman. When you put those two things together, you have creation. Binario, ones and zeros, means that anything more than 2 goes back to 0 or back to 1. So, if you and I were to look at our hands, okay, our hands are binario, 4 to 2. So that means 1 to 4, or 1 to 4, or 4 to 1. All right, so we have 2. 2 is binario, 4. 4 sections of your fingers, 2 thumbs, or 1 thumb, 4 fingers. 2 hands, bye. So these are binario. Within your hands, you also have the value of 3 in your hands. Each finger, get it, to figure, fingers. So each finger has three sections. So you have one hand, you have another hand. By 3. Okay? So 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay? Same value here. So 15 and 15, which equals 30. So 15 plus 15 is 30. Okay? 3 plus 0 equals 3. Triune. One and 5 equals 6. 1 and 5 equals 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12 because you have the 12 apostles in your hands. The disciples, or the zodiac signs. 1 and 2 because 1 plus 2 equals 3. Again, Trinity, because you got 3 sections in your hands. Now that I showed you 30, right? Plus these 15, which is 12 because 1 and 2 equals 3. So 30 plus 3 equals 33. 33 Freemasonry. You're not free from your mom. Get it? Free my son. Why are they saying to be free from your mother? Because they don't want you to have the proper knowledge. So again, remember Jesus died at the age of 33 because 3 plus 3 is 6. 6, 6, 6. And if you look at those 3 6s, 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18, and 1 plus 6 equals 9. Because 9 is the 9th letter of the alphabet, because I was born in 9 months by the hand of my mother, which is her womb. And you'll see that in a few minutes. Now, again, mother. 15 and 15, or 1,515. Why? Because 1 equals I and 5 equals S, because 15 and 15 is Isis, your mother, who is Mayat. That is your mother, Mayat. Again, you have the Ma in the beginning of her word. Ma. Act. Where do you see that word? It's just separated in the word earth. Okay? Sorry for the small load of words there again. So let me put that back to you here again in bigger terms. So earth. Okay, earth, you have act right there. See, my act right there. See, she's the art of your being. She created you, just like art, as you are self-creator. You are a self-creator. How come you can't get this to your thick skull? Because someone took your ear and told you something totally different. Because this is why H-E-A-R, you don't hear T, the truth. But see, earth is here, been here for many, many years, billions of years by fact. So your mom's earth, Mother Earth, also has that H. We take that H at the bottom and we put that H over here. She has heart. Now, So we have these hands. Hands make a good circle. See that? Nice circle, don't it, huh? Yes. See that? Two circles. If you put two circles together, see? You put two circles together, means infinity, means eternal. You are an eternal being. At the same time, that same 8 on the side is the number 8. Get it? Eternal means 8. 8th letter of the alphabet is H because you belong to her. He. But before he came, she was always here. So, let's go back to these hands that we have here. Okay? You notice how every finger is with a circle on the end of your hands? I should tell you something. A circle is 360 degrees. Okay? 3 plus 6 plus 0 equals 9. Because I was born in 9 months. The letter I. Because I was born in 9 months. You came from the womb and you descended. See? From the womb you descended. This is why they make the exclamation point is upside down I. Because they want you to continue to be descended. They don't want you to rise your consciousness. Explanation point. Now, since we have 3, right? Since we have 3 sections of our finger with 1 thumb and 4 fingers, now we have the value of 3.14, which is equal to pi. Because I told you the 2 circles, because you have pi in your hands. 3 plus 1 plus 4 equals the number 8. 3 plus 1 plus 4 equals 8. Because you are eating pie in your hands. Hi again. In this next part of the lessons or video that I'm doing here, I'll be talking more on the logic sense. The word L-O-G, log, as in logic. They still use the same logic or log within mathematics, and you'll see how that will apply to your fingers as well as the woman's womb, also the circle. But before we go into that, here is my lovely queen, Tanut Haru. Very beautiful, as you see. You know, look at her. Look at that. See that smile, that sunshine smile that she has here. So I'm bringing my queen here to give you some ideas of what the womb is about. So after I finish up the sections of logic, then we'll go into the womb, and my queen here will go ahead and take care of that part. Okay?